Hi everyone, these sums from the chapter Similar Triangles, exercise 8.4, 11th problem. Before section, I explained this problem, then also listen carefully. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle, right angle at B, D and E are the points on BC trisect it. Prove that 8A square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. Some conditions are given and asked us to prove this equation. Here BCDE, this DE locates on the line segment BC. The length of BD, DE and EC is same. If this is 2 cm, 2. Now observe ABD one triangle, ABE one triangle, ABC one triangle. In a triangle ABD, here AD is hypotenuse at point B 90 degrees. So hypotenuse AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square. Pythagoras theorem. In this way, ABE, AE hypotenuse. Okay. AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. Pythagoras theorem. Now, the length of BD is, total length is 3 parts. BD is first part 1/3. Now BE second part 2/3 and BC whole part same, nothing difference. BC first, second, third, 3 equations. Now condition is, assume that this is a third equation. Condition given as 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. Asked to show this equation or condition. Besides of AE, substitute these values. AC besides, substitute this value. AD beside, substitute this value. 1 9 LCM is 9. 9 1 is 9 plus 9 9 denominators are same. So write same numerator 4B square is equal to, this 3 is belongs to first term and second term. 3AB square plus 3BC square plus this 5 is belongs to this first term and this second term. 5AB square plus 5 1 is 5, 5/9 BC square. Now same 8 9 AB square plus 4 BC square by 9 is equal to AB square, like terms, add the like terms. 5 times AB square, 3 times AB square, 8 times AB square. Now BC square, one like term, here BC square, one like term. Add them. Its a denominator is 1, 1 9 LCM is 9, 1 9 is 9, 9 3s are 27 BC square plus 9 9 same. So write numerator 5 as it is 5 BC square. Now send this 9 is equal to that side. Remaining 8 is left hand side. 8 9 AB square plus 4 BC square is equal to, this 9 belongs to first term as well as second term. 9 8s are 72 AB square plus this 9 numerator and this 9 denominator get cancelled, 9 9 and remaining is 32 BC square. Now this 8 belongs to first term and second term. 8 9s are 72 AB square, 8 4s are 32 BC square. Same LHS, same RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So when we substitute before this equation and final our answer both are same. So we proved this problem also. Now 12th problem. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC, this triangle. ABC, this triangle is isosceles triangle and right angle at B. Equilateral triangles ACD on hypotenuse and ABE on perpendicular side. Constructed AC and AB. Find the ratio between the areas of ABE. Need to find the area of this triangle, area of this triangle, then find the ratio of their areas. given that ABC is an isosceles triangle at 90 degrees point B, here AB is equal to AC. This one line drawn meaning is this side is equal to that side. These two lines meaning is these three sides are equal. These three sides are also equal. When you observe this diagram 1, 2, 3, 4, these four sides also equal. Then in a triangle ABC, right angle triangle, hypotenuse AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to here AB and BC both are same. Besides of BC written AB 2AB square. AC square is equal to 2AB square. Send this square is equal to that side. It goes as a square root of AB square and root get cancel. Root 2AB, the value of AC, this value root 2AB. Okay. Now area of an equilateral triangle. Any equilateral triangle area formula this is root 3 by 4 side square A square. Triangle ABE area. ABE, this is equilateral triangle. This area side AB, the length of AB how much we don't know. So just side AB is equal to root 3 by 4 side how much AB square. In this way ACD area, here side we found AC how much root 2 AB, AC root 3 by 4 AC square. AC value is root 2 AB. So AC besides we substitute root 2 AB. This square belongs to root 2 and AB. Then square and root get cancelled. Okay, then AB square remaining. After cancellation this root remaining is 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Root 3 by 2 AB square. This is the area of the triangle constructed on hypotenuse equilateral triangle. Root 3 by 2 AB square. Now ratio of the areas between ABA and ACD. First triangle area root 3 by 4 AB square is to second triangle area root 3 by 2 AB square. This is whole numerator, this is whole denominator. Antecedent consequent in ratios. Okay. AB square get cancelled. Root 3 get cancelled. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Here 1 by 2 remaining is to 1. 1 by 2 numerator, 1 is denominator. So if in denominator place there is 1, we can write, we can't write, nothing difference. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 is to 2. This one also completed. Thank you so much. Subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you so much.